got a very weak lunge now that I'm a skinny mini.
Now that you're a
Now that I'm a skinny mini.
birthday girl. Edit. Boo. Hey.
I think it might be a bit tall.
Aha, this is why I want to see this. When you said you think you could. That's not bad, right, you get 3 I'm sure. Let's go. It didn't even go up and it hit her. Wow. 69 I thought was going to be hella mean, but the best is 892. There's some angry people down here. No, well. Yes, there's 3. Alright. Good luck.
Just because I suck at something doesn't mean I can't enjoy it. And that's really great.
That's what she said.
I think I lean to the left.
Yeah, at least the bumpers didn't have carriers.
Actually, it's when.
It's waving, not framing. Go on, waving. Go on, waving.
Oh, that was too much care. Too much care.
That's what bumpers.
To myself.
Oh, I didn't put it that well. Oh, this.
Okay. 7. Oh. Oh.
Oh, they weren't low.
Yeah!
Well then. Yeah, spare for spare and I get a strike for a strike. I've upped it. Up the ante. That's one. Wooden bells. Good baby. Happy to be. Hey, close though. Still get a spare. Still keep the tally on. It's not quite a strike. Like the practice stand here, you know. You got the twitching and stuff, but you're doing great. Nah, you're doing great. Not dead. Happy birthday. Leave that back spin on that. Oh, that's good though. I still got a couple. Wait. Oh, look at so close. Almost got a spare. The final score is 85. I already have 82, so this is just a teabagging and a dump off.
All of the pushers. Yellow. With all the balls. Yellow again.